In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change clothing color in Capcut, a popular video editing tool. If you've ever wanted to alter the color of a garment in your video footage, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. First, you're going to open a browser and head over to Capcut.com. Capcut is a user-friendly platform that provides all the essential tools for video editing. Once you're there, you'll need to click on the canvas you want to use. This step is crucial because choosing the right canvas helps set the foundation for your editing workflow. Next, we move to uploading your content. Click on the upload button. After clicking, select upload file to choose the video from your computer that you want to work on. This video should be the one you intend to edit, specifically to change the clothing color. With your video uploaded, click on it to proceed. If you've decided that you want to alter the color of the clothing throughout the entire video, you can skip to the next step. However, if you only want to change the color for specific parts of the video, you'll need to split the video into segments. This can be particularly useful if you're aiming to highlight certain parts or if the lighting changes throughout the footage. Now, let's dive into the color editing itself. Click on the basic option. This menu provides initial adjustments that pave the way for more detailed edits. Next, click on color adjustment. It's a powerful tool that makes precise color changes possible. You'll now see the HSL tool, that stands for hue, saturation, and lightness. Click on HSL and from the available colors, select the one that matches the clothing in your video. This step identifies the target color you intend to change, laying the groundwork for the adjustment phase. Finally, use the sliders for hue, saturation, and lightness to adjust the color to your liking. These sliders allow you to fine-tune the exact shade and tone you want the clothing to be. Whether you're aiming for a subtle shift or a dramatic change, these tools have the flexibility to meet your needs. Once you're satisfied with the color adjustments, ensure you save your work. The alteration process is complete, and you're now ready to showcase your video with the newly adjusted clothing color. Capcut's intuitive interface makes it possible for anyone, from beginners to seasoned editors, to achieve professional-looking results.